Welcome to Space and Tech Solutions. Today, we're in Mull, North Wales. A big house again. Customer didn't want Starlink on their building as much as possible, so we fitted it up there on a flat roof. Probably just about to see it. Up there. And then we made a cable on site. Again, it's just a Cat 6 cable. Headed across and down with all this lot. Goes into the cellar. We've also another Cat 5e, so one side of the house over there and one to the main building. And set up a little Deco mesh system which covers the whole building of the house. Full speed everywhere, max plan coming at 350 meg. You need a professional installation. Anywhere in the northwest, feel free to get in touch.